Okay, one more channel to go. Let's see what we can do here. Double click on the product structure and insert a new product structure, a new product. And then in that new product, insert a new part. Okay, and then we're going to rename this. And this is the 106. And the instance is number 6. And it defaults to instance. Just to compare the other one. So this one's going to be the forward channel. So properties, type in forward channel. And then the reference, up arrow, 6. Okay, so just like the last one. What can we steal from this one? Product line, top and bottom, this one, product line, and all these. Okay, I'm going to try and right click and it won't do it. Why? I'm in the product structure. I need to go up and double click on this. Click on this, and this using the shift button to copy that. Not copy. I need to be in the product structure. I'm in the product structure. Try it again. Click on this, and we want to publish those. Yes, I do want to publish those elements, but not the square tube, so cancel the square tube and say OK to the rest of it. And in my publications, I have all of these, which I can copy over. So click on this, and I can't copy because you have to double click the part. Now click on this, right click, copy, right click, open this, double click, make sure I see the hourglass pop in, right click, and paste. There's all your external links, and hopefully these external links will keep everything linked so that if these change, these automatically change with them. Okay, what I need also is the plane that's on this surface here. Okay, so that is in C channel 4. That's this one here. Yeah, it's hard to remember everything. So you know what? Pull it out of hide. That one there. Oh no, that's the plug. I need that. That's that forward periphery. So I need that one. Am I supposed to publish this one or this one? No, I forgot. So I don't have. You got that one there? I want that forward too. So double click that product to make sure it says product structure. Right click on that, forward tube, and publish it. Right click on that and copy it as soon as you double click this. Copy that one. We're going to put it into the forward C channel. I just did paste, not paste special. Paste special with links. We already have that. So now I got this one here. And what I'm going to do here, under feature properties, forward C channel periphery. Go to plane. I'm going to do this one here. Go to plane. Go to plane 0. And periphery 2. Plane. Reverse the direction and go an inch and a quarter. Select OK. So I'm doing this a little different. Last time I created a offset and then trimmed. Now I'll do this a little different. Watch. We'll go rename this product line C, product line forward C channel. Forward C channel periphery. Okay. So that's going to be here, here, top and bottom. Periphery. So on this buttock line, we will sketch. I'm going to grab the two water lines that represent the top and bottom, as well as the forward channel. And then this plane here that's going to touch, which would be this one here. So you can see I've got this and this representing the height. This one represents that surface and that one. We will go right to Sketch tab and find Intersect. Intersect that to the buttock line. Click OK. And I'm going to go right to Trim. Trim this line to this line. Trim this line to this line. This line to this line. This line to this line. Let's close profile. The only thing is, whoops, I don't want to do that. I accidentally hit the delete command. I don't need this line, just needed it for a minute. Oh no. I want to go normal to view, highlight this and corner. Remember to move this over on that side where I want the center of the radius, and we'll go then I'm going to delete this. Right click on the edge to do the auto search. Back under the sketch tab, find offset. Click over here on this side of it. The offset will be 1/8 of an inch. Now I need to connect the dots. If I create a line from here to here, that line's black, okay? I'm going to undo that. And I'm going to go to intersect this plane to the buttock line plane. It's this one here. Select OK. And then what I'm going to do is quick trim, grab this line, and then this line, and then the top of this line. That should leave the line in between, and you see in this case it's yellow. So now when I go to Analyze, we got Close Profile. Where is it under constraint? I don't know. Why are you doing that? It's as if I got a point I don't need. Anyways, I know we got that close profile. I know this is going to work, so we're just going to go on with this here and exit out and go to Pad. And up to plane, right buttock line, up to plane, left buttock line. Looks great. Select OK. Right click on the part body. Right click on the part body. The properties and change that color. Here's your mold fixture. Holding that high beam in there with C channels, square tube, and the top and bottom plates. Let's clean this up. First off, the sketch belongs here in the part body. Hide your external references. Hide my geometrical sets. Hide my axis. Hide these sets. Hide my axis. Hide these. Hide my axis. Hide my axis for this one. Everything but the part body is in hide. The only thing should be visible is the part body pad. These are hidden. Hide this axis. Everything should be in hide. Hide this axis. this axis. Hide the geometrical set. Hide the geometrical set. Everything throughout this entire model should be in hide. So your external references, geometrical sets all in hide. And on this one, everything is in hide. On this one, this local axis needs to be in hide. Everything is nice and clean. This is what your tree should look like when you're all said and done. And in the end, we should be doing a view. Isometric view. Fit all in. I like to zoom in. If I can't see it, I might just rotate it a bit so you can see the parts. But usually you're supposed to be in the ISO view and then save it like that using your camera. Take your snapshot for your engineering ISO view. So if I were not able to find it, it was way small and all cattywampus, you should be able to turn the camera on and find that engineering ISO view, and it'll just bring it back. Then close it off immediately once you get that back. The final check to make sure everything is correct would be to go to the top collector and be in the assembly environment. Okay. So I'm in the assembly environment. Oh, this is where I should have took my picture. In the engineering ISO view. Each one really should have its own engineering ISO view already saved. And what you want to do to clean or verify everything looks good is run your go to your assembly. Under assembly, run your interference check on everything. Said no interferences. There's 13 things touching each other, and everything is a contact. So I know I'm good. You can click on each one of them just to see which is which. We've seen the first two already. Okay. Notice it highlights the two that it's referencing that are touching, letting you know, hey, these elements are touching each other. But that's all good as far as we're concerned. That's what we were expecting to see. In fact, if they weren't touching, that would tell me something's wrong. Okay? All right. That concludes this demo with the mold fixture, working with published elements to create relational elements from one element to another, working within the product structure.